Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I believe I have found the perfect tea lights.
I love the convenient little container that these tea lights come in. They come in a 12 pack and they are just absolutely perfect. What I really appreciate about these is that they are made from beeswax. So it keeps things super simple, super clean. They have a beeswax scent that just occurs naturally. So if you struggle with perfumes or scents, this might be just the perfect thing for you. I find that this little tea light burns evenly. It also has a really just beautiful color. I got it specifically to go with this little tea light holder I have as part of my bathroom accessory set. And I find that that beeswax color is just gorgeous and it goes perfectly with like this very neutral tone, natural look. So it's something kind of exciting, different from just the regular, usual white tea lights. I think that these are excellent quality. I really appreciate that they are made from beeswax. I appreciate that they burn so evenly, and I am just super happy with them.
I love these so much. I have wanted to find good quality tea lights, and these are everything I was looking for. I recommend checking them out. That's just my point of view.